this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Wrapped Bouquet bundle. This is a fun fold card that you can stand like this. It's made from a 8.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock, and I have a template to show you all the score lines that I made. I scored at 2, 3 1/8, 5 3/8, and 6.5. I'll just remove my hand, so if you'd like to take a screenshot, you can do so. You can pause and take a screenshot. So I'll just put that away and show you the bundle. The Wrapped Bouquet bundle is in the mini catalog, and it will not be in the annual catalog. So if you want it, you should get it now before it retires at the end of June. It has these lovely bouquets of flowers, as well as these nice sentiments and this fun newspaper. You can use this die to cut out the newspaper, and then there's these score lines that you can use to fold it up and wrap it up like a newspaper, wrapping up the flowers. It also has all these leaf dies that you can use to embellish your bouquet that I'm going to use right here. And then I've also used the Playing with Patterns designer series paper on my card as well. So I've already scored my card, and I'm just going to fold it on all my score lines and use my bone folder to crease all of these score lines. So I'm going to fold the first one back and then the second one in, and then the same thing on the other side. The first one back and the second one in this way so that they meet in the back like that, and then out like this. And then I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to add these 3 pieces of designer series paper. So the first piece measures 1 3/4 by 3.5. And the second middle piece measures 2 by 3.5. And the third one is the same as the first. It measures 1 3/4 by 3.5. So I'm just going to attach those to the bottom half. I really like this color combination of the Coastal Cabana Purple Posy and the Night of Navy. I think they look really pretty together. The Purple Posy is an in color that is retiring this week. So if you like it, you should check it out and see what is still available. There's the set of markers of in colors, and there's the paper as well as the blends. So they all are in Purple Posy, so you can check out and see what's still available of those. But I'm going to use the Purple Posy blends to color the flowers. So we have those here, and let's see which one's the dark. And I'm just going to color the dark first in the middle and kind of on the bottoms, right here in the middle, radiating out. And then I'll use the light to color in the rest of the flower. I really like this Purple Posy color. It's really pretty. I'm going to miss it when it retires this week. So I thought I would give it one last hurrah. And I should check real quick and see what's still available of this color. I'll try to do that for you real quick. So I'm just going to finish coloring all these little flowers, and it'll coordinate nicely with the paper and the leaves. And you can go back and add some more shadows, some more darks with the dark. I'm going to add some more because it's not quite that dark. Blend it all away. So add some more dark. And then I'm going to pop this up on dimensionals. So grab my dimensionals looks like I need to cut some. So I'll cut those. I'm gonna put that aside because I'm gonna emboss the bottom corner of this. I'm gonna milk this for all the powder that's left in it, not much. And then let's see, Love You Bunches. I'm gonna grab that from the stamp set and get my Versamark. And then we'll stamp that right here in the bottom corner. There we go. And then we've got our embossing powder, white embossing powder here. You always want like a little bin or coffee filter or something to pour the embossing powder back into so it doesn't make a mess. And we're gonna heat it up with our heat tool. Pretty quick. And then we'll cut some more dimensionals. To 4. Gotta use up all the dimensionals. Oh, wait a second, I did it wrong. Hopefully that'll fit within the, okay. You gotta make sure it fits within your column there. Hopefully that'll fit. I think it should. Then we're just gonna put it right in the middle. It fits. Yay! And then we're gonna place this slanted on here nicely. And then I've got all these pieces cut out of the leaves, and I'm just going to use some glue dots to, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 glue dots. So I'm gonna add a long one over here. Such a nice high contrast to the navy blue background. Like it. And then we'll add one over here. You can just kind of pull this up and away so you can get that back there. And then this next one we'll add over here. Just make sure it fits within the card boundaries there. And then this one will go down here. And this will go over here, kind of coming out. Like that. And then last one. Up here. That's not going to quite fit. So I can trim off the stem to get it to kind of go down there, maybe. It's just too high. Maybe I'll coax it that way. Okay. And there we go. So there is our Wrapped Bouquet card, and it just tucks like that and fits into an A2 size invitation envelope. So I'm offering a card class on this bundle, and it consists of 6 cards, 3 designs. So this card, this Joyfold card and this Highland Heather card. So you just have to purchase this Wrapped Bouquet bundle and I will send you this card kit for free. Just email me, Elaine at elainescreations.net, and let me know that you would like the Wrapped Bouquet card kit and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other Wrapped Bouquet card video tutorials. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.